All right. The novel that we had started, Hamlet, we will start with a new chapter, Hamlet's Madness. We are actually experiencing a problem in the net today. That's why this is being disturbed again and again. Anyways, let's start with the new chapter, Hamlet's Madness. Claudius was becoming more and more worried by Hamlet's behavior. Now, as we all know, that Hamlet has come to know, he has actually um, he knows now that his father's death was not a natural death, it was a murder, and that also was committed by Claudius. He knows each and everything now. He knows the secret of his father's death now. Now, the thing is that although now he swore, he made a promise to himself, अपने आप से उसने ये वादा किया that he will not think about anything else but to take revenge of his father's death. सिवाय इसके कि वो अपने बाप की मौत का बदला लेने के बारे में और किसी चीज के बारे में नहीं सोचेगा. He made a promise. And then what the plan that was going on in his mind was that he will start pretending. He will start pretending as if he is mad. So he told his best friend Horatio that he will pretend to be mad. Pretend means when you are acting. He was not actually mad, he was only acting to be mad. And what was the plan in his mind? We will come to know as the story goes on. And now, as he was pretending to be mad, his behavior was very, very strange. And this behavior was actually upsetting Claudius because Claudius himself knew that what he had done, उनको अपने गुनाह का, he knew about his sin. He knew that what that he had murdered the old king. So he was becoming worried. He was becoming upset when he saw Hamlet's strange behavior. His behavior was very strange. He was acting like a mad person, and that was upsetting Claudius because Claudius was he was noticing the change in his behavior. It seemed that the young man had gone mad. So it was, it seemed, मतलब ऐसा नजर आता था, ऐसा लगता था, it looked like that Hamlet had gone mad. Gertrude was terribly upset by this. Obviously, Gertrude was his mother, so she was very, very upset at all these things, at his behavior, and it was spoiling their happiness together. Plus, there was one more thing. Gertrude and Claudius, they were very happy with their marriage, and as Hamlet was behaving like this, Hamlet was behaving like a mad person. So this thing was spoiling their happiness. It means उनकी खुशी को, उनकी लाइफ को ये सारी चीज बहुत खराब कर रही थी. Something else was worrying Claudius, but Claudius was worried because of something else. There was some other reason. And what was the other reason? The other reason was he was guilty conscious. He knew that he had murdered the king. So all anything which is जो भी चीज उसको अलग नजर आती थी, जो भी चीज उसको strange नजर आती थी, the first thing came in his mind was that maybe Hamlet knows about the murder. तो वो फौरी तौर पे उसको ऐसे शक पड़ने लग जाता था कि जैसे हो सकता है कि Hamlet 45. So ये वाली चीज जो है ये उनके लिए जो है वो क्लॉडियस के लिए बहुत परेशान वाली बात थी. और वो ये सोचता था जब भी कोई अजीब बात होती थी तो उसको सबसे पहला शक ये पड़ता था कि शायद हेमलेट को पता चल गया है, शायद हेमलेट को ये पता चल गया that Claudius had murdered the old king. All right, many things that Hamlet said seemed at first to make no sense, but if you thought carefully about his words, you would understand him. Now, what Claudius was saying that होता तो ये था कि हेमलेट जो उल्टी सीधी बातें करता रहता था, सुनने में तो ऐसे लगता था कि इन बातों का तो कोई मतलब ही नहीं है, ऐसी बेकार की बातें हैं, कुछ भी नहीं है. बट इफ यू थिंक अबाउट दोज वर्ड्स, लेकिन अगर आप गौर करें If you take notice of those words, if you really focus on those words, then you will understand, you will come to know कि इन words का actually में कुछ और meaning है. You will realize their actual meaning. तो ये क्लॉडियस को ऐसा लगता था कि ये जो उल्टी सीधी बज़ाहिर उल्टी सीधी बातें कर रहा है, मगर इनका मतलब शायद कुछ और है. A lot of what the prince said reminded Claudius of what he had done to the old king. सो एग्जैक्टली नाउ जो भी उल्टी सीधी बातें, पागलों वाली बातें हेमलेट करता था, उनमें से बहुत सारी बातें ऐसी होती थी विच रिमाइंडेड, विच एक्चुअली सो व्हाट हैपेंड दैट क्लॉडियस को याद आ जाता था उन उन वर्ड से. उसको क्या याद आता था कि उसने किंग के साथ क्या किया है. डज ही नो, क्लॉडियस वंडर्ड. और एवरी टाइम ही हैड दिस फीलिंग, एवरी टाइम उनको उसको हमेशा ऐसे लगता था कि शायद हेमलेट को मेरे गुनाह के बारे में पता चल गया है, शायद हेमलेट नोज अबाउट माय सिन. सो एवरी टाइम उसको ये फीलिंग आती थी कि ये जो बातें कर रहा है ये कोई पागलों वाली बातें नहीं है, इनका मतलब कुछ और है. हर मर्तबा वो ये सोचता था कि क्या इसको पता चल गया है, or is it just that I feel so guilty about what I did? I must find out. और दूसरे ही मिनट वो ये सोचता था कि या फिर शायद मैं ही खुद आई एम फीलिंग गिल्टी, आई नो अबाउट माई सिन, आई नो व्हाट आई हैव डन, दैट इज व्हाई आई एम फीलिंग गिल्टी, जिसकी वजह से मुझे ये पागलों वाली बातों में भी कोई मतलब निकलता हुआ नजर आ रहा है. सो आई शुड फाइंड आउट. ये मुझे जरूर पता करना चाहिए कि क्या इसको मेरे बारे में पता चल गया है, क्या इसको ये पता चल गया है कि मैंने क्या किया है. He decided to ask one of his oldest and most trusted ministers, Polonius, to help him discover the cause of Hamlet's madness. Now, what did he do? What did he decide? उसने क्या फैसला किया? उसने फैसला ये किया. He had many ministers, obviously. A king has many ministers. And out of that, the oldest minister and the most trusted one, the trustworthy, जिस पर एतबार किया जा सकता है, वो कौन था? Polonius. Now, he decided that he will ask Polonius to find out, to help him to find out what actually is the reason of Hamlet's madness. उसने ये फैसला किया कि वो पोलोनियस से ये कहेगा कि वो ये मालूम करने में उसकी मदद करे कि हेमलेट की मैडनेस की वजह क्या है, what is the reason. The queen agreed with her husband's decision, and he talked about this with Queen Gertrude, and she said that this is a good idea. So we should ask Polonius to find out the reason of his madness. Now, Polonius had a beautiful daughter named Ophelia. Polonius, that trusted an old minister, he had a beautiful daughter whose name was Ophelia. When the king and queen asked him about Hamlet, the minister said that before his father's death, Hamlet had told Ophelia that he loved her. Now, when Claudius told Polonius and he asked Polonius that Polonius should find out the reason of Hamlet's madness, Polonius told him a different story. He said that even when the old king was alive, अभी तो जो king जो हैं वो अभी जिंदा ही थे, तो उस वक्त की बात है कि when Hamlet told Ophelia, he actually admitted that he loved Ophelia. उस वक्त जबकि उसके फादर अभी जिंदा थे, उस वक्त ही हेमलेट ने ओफिलिया को ये बता दिया था कि he loved her. My foolish daughter believed everything he said to her and fell in love with him too. And he said that my daughter is an innocent one, वो बहुत ही मासूमा सीधी सादी है. So she believed. She whatever Hamlet said that he loved her. So my daughter also believed him. उसने उसकी हर बात का यकीन कर लिया, and she also fell in love with him. I'm sorry to say I'm sorry to say that she allowed Hamlet to visit her alone. And with that, they started seeing each other. एक दूसरे से मिलने लगे वो लोग. And when I heard about this, I put a stop to it. And Polonius is saying that when he came to know about their love, about their relationship, he asked his daughter to stop seeing Hamlet, because the reason was not that Hamlet was not a good boy. It was because Hamlet was a prince, and a prince owes request, respect. So it means that Polonius को ऐसा लगता था कि a prince, he has a certain uh, level, he deserves a certain respect, उसकी respect की जानी चाहिए, उसके साथ इस किस्म का relationship नहीं रखना चाहिए. That is why he asked his daughter to stop seeing Hamlet. I told her that it wasn't right for a minister's daughter to show her love for a prince so clearly. And he said that there are certain uh, uh, there is a certain way, there are a few manners, how you should behave, how a minister's daughter should behave, and she's not just an ordinary girl to show her love to anyone just like that. So उन्होंने कहा कि तुम कोई ordinary ऐसी लड़की नहीं हो कि तुम इस तरह के काम करोगी, and the boy is not an ordinary boy, he is a prince. तो ये सब कुछ आप लोगों को you suit nahi karta hai. You should not do it. I mean, this is not the way you should behave. You people belong to the royal families, and the people who belong to these families do not behave like ordinary people. She should have a proper respect for the prince's high position in the world. And he said, Polonius said that I told my daughter that he's a prince, so you should show respect. He deserves a proper respect, so you should respect the prince, not to show your love to him like that. All right. She should. Okay, so I ordered her to refuse to receive Hamlet's letters and not see him again. So he said that that is why I asked her to stop receiving Hamlet's letters. वो हेमलेट की लेटर भी रिसीव नहीं करेगी, एंड शी विल नॉट सी हिम एनी मोर, उससे कोई मिलने मिलने भी नहीं जाएगी. आई बिलीव आई डिड द राइट थिंग, एंड पोलोनियस थिंक्स दैट whatever he did was the right thing. He should have done the same. Of course, the silly girl argued and cried. Argued means एतराज करना, आगे उस बात के लिए राजी ना होना, उस बात के ऊपर ऑब्जेक्शन करना. आर्ग्यू का मतलब ये होता है एतराज करना, बहस करना. So obviously, because she loved Hamlet, so it was not that easy for her to agree on that. That's why Ophelia she cried, and she was not happy at all this. She believed that Hamlet would never hurt her, because she believed in his love. She believed that Hamlet really really loves her. उसको यकीन था कि जो हेमलेट कह रहा है वो बिल्कुल सच है, और वो उसको उसको कभी भी डिसीव नहीं करेगा, कभी धोखा नहीं देगा. but her brother but her brother Laertes agreed with me. Now Ophelia has a brother also, and her brother's name is Laertes. Okay, Laertes. But whatever Polonius was saying that she should stop seeing Hamlet, बिल्कुल Laertes ने भी बिल्कुल वैसा ही कहा कि प्रिंस की एक रिस्पेक्ट होती है, उसकी एक खास पोजीशन होती है, उसके साथ इस तरह बिहेव नहीं किया जाता जैसे किसी भी ऑर्डिनरी किसी लड़के के साथ किया जाता है. इसलिए Ophelia should stop seeing Hamlet. So Laertes also agreed at that. उसने कहा कि मिस फौजिया एक काम कीजिएगा, क्या इतनी मासिव को एडमिट होने देना है कि नहीं. So that is why now Polonius and Laertes, they both agree that Ophelia should not see Hamlet. He knows what young men are like, and Laertes thought that he's a prince, so maybe he's not serious about that. Maybe he's saying all these things just like that. ऐसा हो सकता है, उसने कहा हो सकता है कि ये वाली बात हो. तो इसलिए लेडिस ने भी उसको इस बात के लिए मना कर दिया. इन द एंड ओफिलिया agreed to do what I commanded. Commanded means ordered. So it means that आफ्टर ऑल ये रोने और ये सब कुछ करने के बाद क्या हुआ कि ओफिलिया हमारी बात मानने के लिए तैयार हो गई. उसने कहा कि ठीक है, चले इस तरह से whatever the order was given to her, she agreed to that. Okay, so but not long after this, she had a terrible shock. But then what happened? The king died. And as the king died, Hamlet became mentally upset, very, very upset. So after that, after a few days, that he refused seeing Hamlet. After a few days, what happened? That she had a terrible shock. अचानक उसके साथ बहुत बुरा वाकया हुआ. वो क्या हुआ? She was alone in her room when Hamlet rushed in, half dressed and looking as if he had seen a ghost. So what happened? That one day suddenly when Ophelia was alone in her room, Hamlet came in. Rushed in का मतलब है तेजी से अंदर आना. जल्दी से वो अंदर आ गया and he was looking so upset. उसका चेहरा इतना खौफजदा नजर आ रहा था. He was so horrified. He was so terrified. बहुत खौफजदा नजर आ रहा था. ऐसे लग रहा था कि जैसे उसने कोई गोश्त देख लिया है. तो वो एकदम से तेजी से अंदर आया. And she told me that he did not say a word but stared into her face for a long time and then left. So, what Ophelia told Polonius that Hamlet did not say even a single word, उसने एक लफ्ज भी नहीं बोला, but stared into her face for a long time. Stared का मतलब है घूरना. Stared means घूरना, यानी कि बहुत लंबे टाइम के लिए वो उसको लगातार घूरता रहा, उसके चेहरे की तरफ देखता रहा and then left, और फिर चला. There is no doubt about it, said Polonius. That is the cause of Hamlet's madness. The prince is mad because of my daughter. So Polonius believes that इस बात में कोई शक नहीं है. The truth is that the cause of the reason of Hamlet's madness is that he loved Ophelia and now Ophelia is not seeing him anymore. She is not even receiving his letters. So he has become mad. Polonius को ऐसे लगता है कि वो उससे अब मिल नहीं रही है, उसके लेटर्स नहीं रिसीव करी. शायद प्रिंस जो है वो इस वजह से मैड हो गया है. All right. The king wanted to believe his minister, but he decided to make certain it was true. Although the story was very, believable. ऐसे लग रहा था कि हाँ भाई ऐसा हो सकता है. This could be true. वो अपने वैसे भी पोलोनियस वाज अ ट्रस्टी मिनिस्टर, उसके ऊपर ट्रस्ट किया जा सकता था. That is why he wanted to believe the story, but he decided to make certain. Certain means to make it sure. Certain का मतलब है यकीन कर लेना. यकीन कर लेना, वो इस बात को यकीनी बनाना चाहता था कि यही वजह है, यही सच है. इस बात का वो अभी मजीद यकीन करना चाहता था. He arranged with Polonius to set a trap for Hamlet. So he made a plan. So what did he do? He made a plan and he made all the arrangements with Polonius. उसने सारे arrangements किए and set a trap for Hamlet. Trap का मतलब है जाल बिछाना. Trap means जाल बिछाना. उसने एक जाल बिछाया किसके लिए? Hamlet के लिए. They sent Ophelia to meet Hamlet while the two old men hid and watched. उन्होंने क्या किया? Ophelia से कहा कि वो जाकर Hamlet से मिले. As Ophelia she went to see Hamlet. जब Ophelia Hamlet को मिलने के लिए गई, ये दो लोग Polonius and Claudius, ये दोनों लोग they hid means छुप जाना and watched और देखना. जब वो ओफिलिया हेमलेट को मिलने के लिए गई तो क्लॉडियस और पोलोनियस दोनों छुपकर उसको देख रहे थे. दे वांटेड टू सी हाउ हेमलेट इज गोइंग टू रिस्पॉन्ड. बिल्कुल वो उन्होंने ये सब क्यों किया था? बिकॉज वो ये देखना चाहते थे कि वो कैसा बिहेव करता है, कैसा रिस्पॉन्ड करता है, क्या उसका आगे से बिहेवियर होगा. Certainly Hamlet acted very strangely when he saw Ophelia. Certainly means surely. यकीनी तौर पर क्या हुआ, यकीनी तौर पर हेमलेट बिहेव्ड वेरी स्ट्रेंजली। उसका बिहेवियर बहुत ही अजीब था, बहुत स्ट्रेंज था जब उसने ओफिलिया को देखा। बट वॉज इट लव? सो उसके बिहेवियर से कहीं भी ऐसे नहीं लग रहा था कि ही लव्ड ओफिलिया। बिल्कुल भी ऐसा नहीं लग रहा था। He seemed terribly angry, but not because of Ophelia alone. He showed his anger. वो बहुत शदीद गुस्से में नजर आ रहा था, मगर उसका गुस्सा जो है वो सिर्फ ओफिलिया पर नहीं था. He was not angry because of Ophelia alone. He was angry at Ophelia also, but other people also. It means it seemed that he was angry with the whole world. ऐसे लग रहा था कि जैसे वो पूरी दुनिया से के ऊपर गुस्सा कर रहा है, जैसे वो पूरी दुनिया से नाराज है. And what did he say? He said no one can escape. Escape का मतलब है बच कर निकलना. Escape means बच कर निकलना. No one can escape. उसने कहा कि कोई भी बच कर नहीं जा सकता. Hamlet told her. Everyone is evil. And he said कि हर शख्स, evil means शैतान, गुनाहगार. So उसने कहा कि कोई भी बच के नहीं निकलेगा, निकल के नहीं, कोई बच के नहीं निकल सकता, क्योंकि यहाँ हर शख्स गुनाहगार है, यहाँ हर शख्स शैतान है. दैट्स द वे लाइफ इज. और दुनिया और जिंदगी बस ऐसी ही है. He shouted out his mad words and frightened Ophelia terribly. And how was he talking? He was not talking, he was shouting. वो बात नहीं कर रहा था, वो चिल्ला रहा था, चीख रहा था. और वो ये ऐसे पागलों वाले अल्फाज चीख चीख कर बोल रहा था. एंड दैट फ्राइटेंड टेरिफाइड ओफिलिया. ये वाले सारे अल्फाज, उसके बिहेवियर ने ओफिलिया को बुरी तरह से डरा दिया था. शी वॉज हॉरिफाइड. वो बहुत बुरी तरह डर गई थी. ही ऑल्सो फ्राइटेंड क्लॉडियस. और ये सारी बातें ना सिर्फ ओफिलिया को डरा रही थी, मगर क्लॉडियस जो कि चुप के सब कुछ देख रहा था वो भी बहुत डर गया था. Claudius was now sure that Hamlet was dangerous. Now, Claudius, he had something at the back of his mind. हर वक्त एक बात उसके दिमाग में चलती रहती थी. वो क्या थी कि उसने किंग के साथ क्या किया. He was guilty. So, अब ये हेमलेट का ये बिहेवियर देख, एंड ही केप्ट ऑन थिंकिंग कि क्या हेमलेट को पता चल गया, क्या हेमलेट को पता चल गया. और अब हेमलेट का ये बिहेवियर देखने के बाद उसे यकीन हो गया था कि हेमलेट उसके लिए खतरनाक साबित हो सकता है. Even if he did not know about the murder, he suspected something. और क्लॉडियस को यकीन हो गया था कि अगर उसे मर्डर का नहीं भी पता, अगर हेमलेट को मर्डर की बात नहीं भी मालूम, तब भी he suspected something. Suspected मतलब शक में मुब्तला होना. Suspected शक में मुब्तला होना, शक करना. उसने कहा अगर मर्डर का नहीं भी ना उसको पता, लेकिन उसको किसी ना किसी बात का शक तो लाजमी हो गया. And people were starting to listen to him. The mad prince had to be stopped. And now what did he say? That वो पागलों वाली बातें करता है या जो कुछ भी करता है, but people listen to him. लोग उसकी बात सुनते हैं. So this mad prince, ये पागल प्रिंस जो है, had to be stopped. इसको रोकना बहुत जरूरी हो गया था. It was necessary to stop him, otherwise he will definitely open the secret of the murder, or maybe if whatever he had suspected. All right, students, that is all with the class today. uh, I believe, do you have any questions? Anyone who has any question, you may ask now.